Hi everyone, so myself Varun Agarwal and we are in the session 6 of Agile Transformation. In the last 5 sessions, we talked about why Agile is required, what we can lose without Agile, and we understood the need of Agile in the today's very rapid, very dynamic times. From today, we'll start the discussions on what is Agile. We'll try to understand the Agile mindset, the principles, values, the number of practices, what is Agile basically. So we'll try to understand more what is Agile. I would say that Agile is a culture. Now, what does that mean? What does that statement mean? Agile is a culture. To understand that, we need to understand what the culture means. Now, what is the culture? Culture is something which is built, at last in any environment. So what means at last means we have certain attitudes, we have certain practices, we do some things, and gradually it becomes culture somewhere. So uh, now, when I say agile is a culture, that means that culture is coming from certain attitudes, certain actions, and what certain actions, certain attitudes, what are those things? Those are the mindsets. So, agile is a culture. We can say agile is a culture. It is coming from a mindset. The mindset of what? Mindset of adaptability, mindset of learning, mindset of collaboration, the mindset of the zeal of experimentation, the zeal of doing something, the zeal of understanding what we are lacking, the we can say the desirability of improving ourselves. That is the mindset. If that mindset, that attitude we have, it gradually builds the culture of having the agility, because agility is what we have discussed in the last 5 sessions. Agility is what? Agility is uh, motivating us to adopting something new which is required in the today's time, in the changing times. Something which we are doing today might not be uh, that valuable tomorrow. So that is something which is required to achieve that agility. Now the agile is what we are saying. Agile is a culture. That culture is built by a certain mindset of what? Mindset of improving, mindset of learning, mindset of experimentation, mindset of collaboration, mindset of open communication. That is something which is the mindset resulting in the agile culture. Now, how that mindset builds? These mindsets built or defined by the 4 values which are in the Agile Manifesto. They're described by the Agile principles, which are the 12 principles. And these principles, these values, that mindset can be achieved by doing the number of practices. So that is the cycle to understand what actually the Agile is. Agile is not only, doing the cadence based workflow, cadence based development. It is not just we are using the sprint that we are agile. No, it is not like we are using the Azure DevOps, we are using the Jira, then we are agile. No, agile is the attitude, agile is the mindset, agile is the culture, where we give the importance to learn, where we give the importance to the experimentation, to uh, regularly inspect what we are lacking, where we can improve, and then taking the um, actions which are required at that particular time, which can give the maximum value uh, to our organization, to our customers, to our products. That is something which is agile. We say this agile is a methodology, which is okay. Agile is a methodology, but uh, what I understood is the agile is a culture. It is a way of living. It is a way of working. It is, we cannot say it is just a methodology. Uh, it is our habit. It is not just the methodology. What I understood. So now, what are the 4 values and what are the 12 principles? So it was in early 2000. So there was a conference of the developers. They were doing they were doing some development, some product development for last many years. but they found some problems in that development cycle. So they made to understand, to uncover the ways of working which is really beneficial, which is really effective, the effective methods of the development. And they had the conference. The outcome of that conference was the four values in as a agile manifesto and the 12 agile principles. One more thing, in early 19th century, uh, we get the principles from Darwin. That was the survival of the fittest. So again, Darwin, at that point of time, Darwin said it is not the intelligent species, not nor the most advanced species which survives, but it is the species which try to adapt the surroundings they survive. So what does that mean? um, as we are living in this dynamic world, there is so much dynamism, there are so many changes coming, experience we are experiencing day by day. So that means we need to change as per that time, and that is the adaptability, that is the survival of the fittest. If we are changing ourselves to be fit in that dynamic time, we can survive, and that is the agile, that is the agile culture. So I take you leave, look, guys. I'll meet you in the session 7 with the four values of the Agile Manifesto. Thank you.